Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to D-Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D-Don is in the kitchen again to do what? Make a guess. It's beef tripe or cow tripe and butter bean. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi. If you are new here, welcome. And to all my subscriber, YouTuber, supporter, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. So let's get started. 1 can of butter bean, 1 onion, some spring of thyme, green fresh thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, pimento seed, just a few grain, cloves, 8 to 10 cloves, and this is optional, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and the salt I'll be using the turmeric Italian salt. You can use whatever salt you have, the sea salt, Himalayan salt, whatever salt. And the cow tripe. We refer to this as cow tripe in Jamaica, but some other places they say beef tripe. The first thing you want to do, you just want to rinse the cow tripe under some water with a piece of lime. So I'm gonna rinse the cow tripe now and come back to you. And you need some bay leaf. I rinse it under running water just now. About 3 to 4 bay leaf. Also, the star of the show, D-Don. I've done a video on the green herb. So this is the green herb. I add 2 tablespoons that I will be using on the cow tripe. So if you want to see how it is done, I have a video out on it. Cow tripe, guys, it's going to take between 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. I am not a pressure cooker person. You know, too much bad experience with the pressure cooker. So I don't use pressure cooker. I like to take my own time and cook whatever I'm cooking. And you can see I have 2 quarts of water in this pot on the fire, where I'm gonna add the garlic, the curry powder, the clove, and the pimento seed. Okay. Looking at our curry, you see how the water is so yellow? You just want to put your bay leaf in. And we're going to add the cow tripe or beef tripe in. You just want to take your time to put this thing in. You don't want to flash it because it will burn you. And come in with your base slow. Easy and slow. So beautiful people, please be sure to subscribe to D-Don Kitchen. Like and share this video. Leave a comment and hit the notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So you're just gonna stir this. So that's all we need for now. So we're gonna cover the pot and let this cook. So I see you back. Remember I told you it's gonna take between 2.5 to 3 hours. So we cover and see you back in an hour time. It is 1 hour now, and you see almost all of the water have evaporated. So you're just gonna place the all-purpose seasoning in, and you're gonna stir, and you're just gonna give it a next 1 hour time. So we're gonna pour like 2 cups of water in, and you stir it. Onion. I don't want all of this onion because I'm already have this in my green seasoning that I've made. So I don't need too much onion. You just want to strip the onion. And you want to rinse these under some water. Moving along the thyme. You rinse your thyme, and I'm placing the thyme there. The onion, you're just going to cut the onion. The scallion, the stop on the head, the stop on it. And then you're just going to put it in the palm of your hand like this. And you hold it between your hands, and you're just going to crush. Crush, crush, rub, rub. Oh, the aroma, my eyes burning. I'm having cry eyes. And you place it here. So you're just going to cover it over until we're ready. Okay, 2 hours now, guys. And it's time to check in. This is my corn. Look at the corn. This is my corn ready for eating. And now we will be adding in the scallion, the thyme, and the onion. And of course, you're gonna need some more water. Remember, I told you 2 hours, 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and it's just 2 hours. About 3 cups of water. This thing takes a lot of water, and we're gonna give it some more time. So see you back in half an hour to 1 hour time. Okay, here we go again, guys. Look at this. It is almost 3 hours, and we will be adding the green seasoning in, because it takes so much time to cook. You just don't want to add all your seasoning at once. You need some to keep back for when you're almost done. So we're just gonna add like 2 cups of water, and you want to mix, scrape the side of the pot. Always scrape the side of the pot down. And now we're gonna pour in our butter beans. And we're just gonna give this half an hour, because the butter bean already cooked. Is the tin butter bean I'm using. So you're just gonna cover this pot. It smells so spicy. The aroma, guys, is in the here, and half an hour time, I'll see you back. And now, beautiful people, look at this. Our cow tripe, our beef tripe is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, beautiful people? And how do you know that the cow tripe or beef tripe is ready? Is when you put a fork and you see the fork come right through. Just like that. So this is our tripe. Don't go away, stick around. I'll be back. So beautiful people, the cow tripe or beef tripe is now ready for heating, and it takes 3 hours to cook, and it's so tender. Guys, please give it a try. You will love it. And I'd really thank you for tuning into D Don Kitchen, and please take good care of yourself. I will see you on my next video, and let's dive in on piece of this cow tripe now. You see this, guys, the fork is right over, all over on it. Right, thank you beautiful people for watching D Don Kitchen. One love, peace.